Hi, everybody. It's Alicia.
Fish swimming and jumping high in the
It's
air.
Alicia.
Sprayed little silver water drops everywhere.
And Alyssa.
It's amazing. Do you see this book? It's called A Raindrop Journey.
It's a
Look at this picture. Pictures.
It's a first grade picture. I mean, it's a kindergarten book. I had that book in kindergarten.
Soon I came upon a large, graceful deer drinking from the stream.
Wow.
So cold. And
We just woke
clear.
up and we just had spam and eggs. It's breakfast.
Lifting his head with chin dripping wet, droplets sparkled like a jewel.
We crimped our hair last night and
sunset.
we put like a French braid in each other's hair. So this is the French braid. I don't know if you can see it. I put a French braid in her hair too.
And began to wonder if
we slept on it. We slept on it. So
it
turns out kind of bad right now.
Was on top of it. of this leaf where I really belonged.
As you can see, there's a picture back there. I want to point to it. See that adorable baby right there? That's me.
As the morning sun rose, I entered the river. The sight of a hungry
So let's explore my basement.
Shivered. In shallow water, she stood very still. Then snatched up her fish with speed and great skill. Next, I discovered a most...
Okay, let's explore my basement. Right there.
A busy little beaver with
a mirror.
Unusual features.
You can see our laptop.
A tail for a rudder, strong teeth to cut.
Yeah, so that's my laptop.
And webbed hind feet for swimming with ease.
Okay.
So this is really good. Oh my gosh. I think we're on a whale now. I'm not sure.
We're on a whale? You're on a whale? And this right here is an exercise machine that me and Alyssa like to use.
When a breeze gently lifted the mist from my sight,
I can't do it.
She spread before me.
That's right.
With gallerous smile. Then a very smart otter
just hit my head.
bobbed by on his head. With his belly from the floor table,
I can't do this.
He munched a tasty snack. Ew, that's gross. I had guessed he was clever, yet it came as a shock. He cracked open a clam shell right on a rock. Isn't that cool, Alicia?
Sure.
Now we're on seals. My thoughts then turned to a strange barking sound from a family of seals swimming around. Playing together made them quite happy. Diving in.
Me and Alyssa like using it like this.
One swam right at me. OMG. I came frightened with nowhere to hide. When all of a sudden I went for a ride. First on our seal's nose, then up on his tail, snapping and whipping,
then pull it down.
I landed in the ocean so soothing and snug. My brand new home felt safe as a hug. Now I am proud to be a part of the ocean. Large and beautiful, we move with one motion.
Alyssa, come on. We're already recording a video.
The sea is timeless like the wind and the sun. And I know my ocean journey has just begun.
Check me out when I was a baby.
In the beginning.
Oh, yeah.
This book is dedicated to Owens Corning. Communities around the globe.
The end! Yay, Alyssa's book's over. She can go say hi.
From the beginning. That's what they told me to.
Alyssa, come on!
Raindrops Journey by
Alyssa!
Mark Grabber. Pictures by Jack.
Alyssa!
Okay.
We're recording a video right now.
Okay. Comes on the adventures of a single raindrop as it falls from a cloud.
Oh my god!
An exciting journey to the sea. From a beautiful lake high on top of a mountain, down a stream, and through the forest, to the great waters of the ocean. The raindrop sees many strange and wonderful things. Little by little, it begins to understand just how important water is to the way we all live. Find out for yourself as we begin.
Alyssa, we already began.
Raindrops Journey.
Alyssa, you already read that stuff.
2006 Property of Alicia, Kindergarten Reading Club.
Yeah, Property of Alicia,
Kindergarten Reading Club. What the? Okay, Jose Finn. Kindergarten Reading Club. Room 205.
Oh, so annoying. Alyssa, come on.
Look at that raindrop.
I don't care about this stuff. Oh, let me see.
Hi.
Oh,
Look at our braids.
I already told them, but you were too busy reading. No!
Oh my god!
What?
I can't believe I just threw my kindergarten book. I'm such a bad person. I love you, little book. Don't ever forget that. Oopsie.
Look at a mouse.
Just dance number 1. Oopsie.
Look at a mouse.
That's my mouse.
This video is going to be turned on. So let's see 1, 4, 3,